Hello, JP here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you one of the most trending niches on Instagram right now that you can start in your YouTube or Facebook/Instagram automation journey. Before we proceed, let's take a look at this video first. As you can see, that channel keeps on growing, and the AI tool used to generate those videos is none other than Google Flow. This niche is monetizable across YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram, and it's super entertaining. So I'm here to show you the step-by-step blueprint to start creating this content without spending a single cent using free tools. Make sure to watch until the end, because I've hidden a magic word in this video. Leave that magic word in the comments, along with your Gmail or Telegram handle, so I can send you the master prompts blueprint. All you'll need to do is paste them into the AI chat box. Are you ready? Now let's head over to Kimi AI, but you can use ChatGPT or Claude for this one. As you can see, I've already tested it to create a storyboard that we'll use to generate every scene for this exact style of ASMR video. Watch how easily we can replicate their high-quality style using completely free tools. And that's it, guys. I hope you learned something from this tutorial. Feel free to suggest topics for my next video in the comments section below. Also, I hope you caught the magic word I dropped. Comment it right away, and I'll reply with the master prompt, so you can start creating these satisfying ASMR artwork videos. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. It really helps me keep sharing AI tips, tools, and ways to make money online. See you in the next video.